guys, welcome to Tia and Muna. Today we are going to see my chicken farm. So today I'm going to show you how I feed the chicks. So this very white cuckoo is called Sudu. The one next to Sudu, who is right here, who has her neck is like white part, her name is Janice. This one who is right next to me is called Candy. The one who's right next to Candy, this very black one, is called Cotton. And you can see there's a big guy over there. He is the king. His name is Cleo. The chickens that I have for you today is Sharalanda, Sudu, Candy, Kalu, and Cleo. Right now, they are trying to find little bugs like ants and worms. So to make it a bit easier, let's feed them. It seems like Cleo isn't eating much. You might wonder why Cleo isn't eating much and he's not eating some of the rice I put down for him. Because he's the king, so he has to find food for all of his subjects. Let's give some to Cully. Being a king or queen is a big responsibility. That's why Cleo isn't eating much. But he will eventually find some food somewhere, because it's not good to just stop eating for some time and lose weight very quickly. I'm actually running out of rice, so let's just put water. Now I'm going to throw all of the rice I had in 3, 2, 1. Now let's see what Candy looks like. So this is Candy. She's a mommy chick. She has very good energy, but she has been sick a couple of days. She really likes it when you're holding her. She's not like fussing at all. A nice time showing everyone about you. Now you're free to eat the worms and the friends. Now let's see what Janice is doing. My pet cuckoo Janice. She's from the farm. She's going to lay some eggs. She's going to be a good mother. Let's see how she protects her eggs. Oh, my sweet little eggs, please don't go. Stay with Mama. I will give you warmth. You are still only just eggs. You can't go and explore every place. It might be too cold for you. Let me get you into warmth. Let me just move a little bit. There you go. Now all my eggs have warmth. Now they're all cozy. Now let me just take a rest too, laying on my eggs. The next thing I want to talk about you guys today is when it's a really hot and sunny day, all the chickens gather around in one shady place. Janice is making a hole, a sand pit, so she can lay down inside the sand pit. So instead of getting heat, she can have cool areas. Cleo is watching guard. If any predators come, he can alarm all the chickens to run away. Cheryl and Janet and Candy are flapping their feathers so all the dirt gets to the side so they can look for wormies and other insects like ants and other little bugs. This is all I have for you guys today. Make sure you like and subscribe. Put a comment down on what our next video should be. Me, Tia, and Muna wishing you a very good day or night. Bye!